Hi guys, how is it going? Today I'm going to make this crispy, scrumptious baby corn sesame stir fry with our recent corn harvest. So let's get into the process. I'm removing the husk for this corn. Let's talk while actually working. We got quite a new members joined our Garden World family recently. Hi everyone, welcome to our gorgeous, wonderful garden community. For those who don't know about me, this is Suni from Garden World. I live in Houston, Texas and garden in Gardening Zone 9A. Thank you so much for all your support. I truly appreciate it. It means a lot. For every new subscriber, it encourages and motivates me to get more content out there. And also, I do a little happy dance as well. Please continue sharing it with your family and friends. If anyone watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe, click the bell icon and select all so that you get the notification whenever I put the new content. Okay, let's get into our recipe. These are not baby corn anymore. As you can see, these are fully grown. Maybe this one is more ideal for baby corn. Look at this. No kernels have formed on this. This is how baby corn should look like. We should harvest at this stage. But pretty much all of them have grown. But look at this. Aren't the kernels looking like pearls? Isn't it so pretty? We got only few baby corn, but I love this recipe so much, so I would like to go ahead and do the baby corn recipe. But these ones, the fully grown, we will roast them and eat. Look at this, only 4 are there. Let's go ahead with our recipe. I would like to roast the corn quickly, the bigger ones. These are super shiny and exactly looking like pearls. Okay, I'm roasting the corn here. I'm just placing them directly on the cooktop, on top of the flame, and roasting all around, turning in between. These are done. I'm trying it as is, but if you can put some mayonnaise, lime juice, sriracha and parmesan cheese on top of it, it tastes so great. I just tasted these, but I like it. So for our baby corn recipe, in a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. I'll give all the exact recipe measurements in the description box below. Sorry, I got distracted. And I'm adding turmeric, salt, mixing it. I chopped all our baby corn here. Add the baby corn in the flour. Coat it well. Add very little water and coat the mixture well to the baby corn. Add some sesame seeds. Mixture has to be at this consistency. It should not be too runny, so make sure while adding the water. Take a oil in the pan. You can deep fry these, but I'm doing a shallow fry. Whatever your choice of frying, either go for deep frying or shallow frying. So once these are fried till golden color, take them out of the oil. Take out the oil from the pan. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add chopped garlic, either some garlic greens. I harvested these from our garden as well, or you can use scallions, chili flakes, I can't wait. I'm trying these fried baby corn. These are so crispy and yum. Once the garlic is sauteed, I'm adding ketchup, soy sauce, lime juice, and a teaspoon of sugar. Adding little bit of water to make it as a nice thick sauce. Once the sauce is ready, let's add our fried baby corn and coat it well. That's it, guys. Our yummy, scrumptious, delicious baby corn is ready. Here goes our garlic greens on the top. You can add scallions as well. Right now I don't have it handy, so I'm using garlic greens. I can't wait to try this. Let me give it a taste. I sprinkle few sesame seeds as well to get that beautiful look. Let's do a quick prayer of gratitude before tasting. I thank Mother Nature, Earth, Sun, and God for helping us to grow this beautiful crop and getting this harvest to table. Well, it's tasting time. It's so yum. That sourness from the ketchup, sweetness from the sugar, and the crunchiness from the corn is just perfect. As I said earlier, I love this recipe and I have been eating this. I think I'm going to finish this entire dish. Look at Lucky. Let me turn the camera. He's just wondering that mom is going to finish the entire dish without feeding me, huh? Isn't it, Lucky? Lucky boy? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Please subscribe, like, and put a nice comment so that I can get to know you just as you guys are getting to know me through these videos. Thank you.